guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to make a video about how I'm going to be preparing for my fourth semester of nursing school. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get started with it. Okay, so the first thing I did was I printed the syllabi from all of my classes, and this is the only thing I'm pretty sure that I'm going to be printing this semester. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so I'm also going to be using Google Calendar, and I used this my last semester. So I basically I made a calendar for every class that I have. And also I put like the days I'm going to be volunteering, the days I'm going to work, the days I'm going to film videos, everything that I have to do, I put it on my Google Calendar. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to be using is Notion. So this template right here is from Janice Studies, and I'm going to be using it. I also used it on my last semester. I'm going to show you how I used it. So basically it has a schedule. I have the classes I was taking, and let me show you this class. So within each class I have the weeks, and in each week I have everything I had to do for that week. And then I had a master schedule, which had every class and every assignment that I had to do for the whole entire semester. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to be using is Google Drive. So I have it here by year. So in year 1 I had semester 1, semester 2, and semester 3. And now in year 2 I have semester 1, which is basically my fourth semester. So in this semester 1 folder, I'm going to be making a folder for all of my classes, and I'm going to be basically storing like every document in my Google Drive and also in GoodNotes. I'm going to show you right now in a second. Okay, so here's my GoodNotes app, and I'm going to be organizing it right now. So I'm basically going to make a folder for each of my classes for this semester. And right now I'm just putting things in folders that didn't have a place. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you my planners. So I have a planner for school and basically for everything, and then I have a planner just for like social media stuff. So I just thought I showed you. I don't know, it was just looking cute.
And now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go.
Okay guys, so basically this is my semester 4. I already basically put everything in Notion, well, most of the things. So this is one of my classes. So everything is by week, and in each week is everything I have to do for that week. So Okay guys, so this is my planner for school. This is an Erin Condren Daily Duo, and I'm gonna show you what I did for it. So I assigned a color for each class, and I basically wrote down the day and the time I'm going to be having lecture and exams. I don't put like assignments there because that's just too much. So I wanted to show you my binder from MedSearch. I did this like cover thing in Canvas, and then I put my syllabus and the topic outlines there, and for my clinical too in my binder. And then this is my notebook for microbiology, and I basically did the same thing. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe down below if you're interested in the nursing content that I have coming. Thank you guys. Bye.